In this video, I wanted to talk about a quick question that we get from a lot of customers, and it's with regards to the SFD platform vehicles. A lot of you may know, you may not know, VAG cars from say 2020 onwards have a new gateway, as we call it, or secure gateway called SFD. We get questions from customers asking if the VAWS version 4.0, let's move that out of the way, the VAWS version 4.0 will actually work with these vehicles. The answer is yes, but it's not always as straightforward. You do need to go through an unlock procedure, okay? And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use one of these tools, the iCarsoft VAWS version 4.0 in particular, with unlocking the SFD, so you can get this tool to maybe carry out a certain function or certain service reset on your vehicle. Okay, I'm going to pop the email address in the description below this video, so if you wanted a more detailed response on which tool will work and what it can do, then by all means please do email us. But first of all, we're going to show you step by step how to do this with this tool. So for our example, we're going to use this tool against a Skoda vehicle. It's a 2021 Skoda Octavia, and we're going to go through the process of unlocking the brake system. So basically we're going to open and close the rear calipers to replace the discs and the brake pads. So what we need to do first of all is we need to use the tool, plug the tool into the vehicle, and then go through the motions of selecting our specific vehicle. So we're going to select the brake electronics, and once we're into this menu, we're then going to select the access permissions, in brackets SFD activation. On this screen you need to select get SFD request data, and it will then show you a path of where this information has been stored. Click OK to that. You'll then get another message starting with please save the SFD request data and calculate the SFD token through official channels of the VW group or third party authorized dealer. So you can click OK to that, and then you need to plug the tool into a PC or laptop via the supplied USB cable, and you need to go to the MS Diag option, then the makes, then VAG, then the version number, and then you will see a folder called SFD. Click into that folder. You will then see two text documents. The first text document should have content in it. You can see by where it says 112 or whatever it is megabytes. The other one will have 0. You need to open the first one, and you need to copy the code. So it's just basically digits, where you need to copy that information, and then you need to go on to either a third-party website like this one, or you need to go to VW Group directly to get the code. What you need to do is you need to give them the code that you've copied from the tool, and then they will send you back a much bigger code, which you then place into the other text document. So you don't replace the original, you put it in the other text document, which is in the folder of the tool. And then we need to go back to the tool, back to the screen where it gave us the option of manual SFD activation or get SFD request data. So this time we're going to press manual SFD activation, and you should get a message on screen saying the SFD token has been sent successfully. And then at this point you can go through and carry out the procedure that you actually needed. So I hope this has helped. It's not ideal, it's not how we want to do things, but you know, the VAG group are putting in measures in place to just basically stop people from having free reign of their vehicles and doing what they want on their own vehicles. It's basically a money-making scheme by the manufacturer to stop people using these tools on their own vehicle as they see fit. They want people to go to VW, Audi, Seat, Skoda groups directly in order so you can use their trained mechanics and their own sort of in-house systems. By going for this tool, then of course you will be able to get around that. So I'll pop links to these tools in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helps.